This is the brace cleat. You can see it here. It works on any profile which has a dual channel. It only requires 4 screws. It comes in a box of 10. You can see here it comes with our standard box of H16 screws, which are a 16mm screw. They're a 3/8 hex head. So this is exactly what this one is right here. So like we talked about in the other video with the brace cleat flush, this is just a brace cleat, so it is a different component. You do use it in a similar fashion. This is a very strong way to join joists together. So you can see we've got the joist there, and you're basically placing this over that join and then using 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, bang, 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 to secure it into place. And then you also put one on the other side of your joist as well. So the brace cleat is only designed for the 2-channel 90mm profile, and also the 4-channel profile, which is the 180. So as you can see here, there you go, perfect.